Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. This is a pretty good looking watch, don't you think? The Seiko SRPG18K1 is one of the 4 new Seiko tortoise line that was recently released, and they are pretty interesting. The SRPG13K1 has a polyester green strap, a warm beige dial, and a split color bezel with olive green and dark grey. The SRPG15K1 has a polyester dark blue strap, a dark blue dial, and a split color bezel with dark blue and dark grey. The SRPG17K1 has a black calfskin leather strap, a black dial, and a single color bezel that is all black. And lastly, the SRPG18K1 has a dark brown calfskin leather strap, a dark brown matte dial, and a single color bezel that is all brown. The 18K1 has an additional feature, and that is its case. Though it's stainless steel, it is coated with a rose gold paint. The watch has a diameter of 42.4mm, 11.7mm thickness, and 45.2mm lug to lug. The case has brush finishing on the top but is polish finish on the side. It has a very short lugs with lug holes to help with the changing of strap. Though the strap has a very high quality feel to it with coffee colored stitching, it does feel a little hard for my taste. The strap has 10 holes, which is more than enough to fit any wrist size. It has 2 leather holders and a rose gold coated 3-pin buckle. The screw down closed case back has the ground to air emergency signal code engraved on it. If you're wondering what's it for or how to use it, it's basically codes you use to mark on the ground using clothes, equipment, or stones to form letters to communicate with search aircraft or rescue parties. The heart of the watch is powered by the 4R35 caliber automatic movement that has 41 hours of power reserve, dial shock anti-shock system, winding and hacking capability, 21,600 bph, 23 joules, and 200 meters of water resistance. The screw-down crown is not engraved and is located at the 4 o'clock position. The bidirectional rotating bezel has a compass design with the northeast, east-south, southwest, and west-north having a longer bar on the bezel as opposed to the rest. The way the brown is applied on the bezel gives a rough iron kind of feel. The hands and markers here are polished and also coated with rose gold with Lumibrite. The minute track are painted on the rehold, which helps clear up the dial. The 12, 3, 6, and 9 indexes have a trapezoid design, with the rest of the indexes having rectangular shape. The indexes are applied. However, you see these lines extending beyond the indexes for the 12, 3, 6, and 9? Well, they are not part of the applied indexes, but lines painted on the dial. Same goes with the Prospex X. The word automatic and 20 bars on the dial are painted on. The Seiko brand name, however, is applied stainless steel. Although this is a 4R35 caliber movement, which usually has its date at the 3 o'clock, this here have its date at the 4:30 position. The date has white numberings with a black backdrop. The overall weight of the watch is only 85 grams. Honestly, this is a pretty good looking watch. I rarely find rose gold painted design watches from Seiko to be good looking, but this here is one of the exceptions. So what do you think? Among the 4 colors that I've introduced, which do you prefer? Let us know at the comments below. Anyway, if you like this kind of video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.